Okay, this is number 1 on the factoring worksheet. So you're going to factor this trinomial. You're going to find the two binomials that you would multiply together to get that trinomial. So first of all, let's look at the first term as x squared. So that tells you that we're going to start each binomial with an x because x times x is x squared. Then the next thing I look at is this sign, and since it's positive, that tells me that my two signs in my binomials, they're going to be alike. They're either both positive or both negative, because the only way I can multiply two numbers and get positive 6 is if I multiply two numbers or multiply two positives or multiply two negatives. But then if you look at this sign, that tells us that the signs are going to be, and we know they're going to be alike from this sign. This sign tells us that they're both going to be positive. So I'm going to put a plus and a plus, and then we're looking for factors of 6 that add up to 5. So if you think of factors of 6, it can't be 1 and 6 because 1 plus 6 is 7. But how about 2 and 3? 2 times 3 gives me 6, and 2 plus 3 gives me 5. So it looks like those are my two factors. So I'm going to put a 2 here and a 3 here. Okay? I hope that helps.